that that thing has is absolutely amazing. What had originally happened out here was a landslide came down, buried our trash rack by 16 feet of material. In order for us to start excavating with the muck, we had to start picking up some of these large trees and getting them out of the way. And some of them in excess were 65 to 75 feet long. He was able to grab it by the root ball, pick the tree up like it was a toothpick, and scoot it out of the way. It's absolutely amazing for the size of the equipment and the power that that thing has. Mobility, the way it's able to traverse back in here in this canyon. Great piece of equipment.
Are you going all the way up the top here?
No. No. About 18 feet below the top of that pipe right there is where our trash rack originally was. All this material that you see right here is all landslide material. They
so
came down
18 feet of slide.
18 feet of material that came in on top of our pipe. We had to dig down, find our original pipe, install this new corrugated pipe to it, backfill. We're going to install a new trash rack to the top of the pipe, get everything seeded back to its natural habitat.
Problems as well, right?
Seed, straw, that's all native up there. The slide that actually occurred was due to a water main break up on the other side of Barber. So it saturated that hillside to the point to where it had no choice but just to come down the ravine here.
I'm just going to show them something.
Yeah, that's fine. I just want to give you a heads up. Fuel truck is on its way.
Okay.
So when we get to that point, we can either try and run the hose all the way to you,
Yeah.
or you and I can swap places.
Yeah, if we run it to us, I'm going to spin it around just to where we can see it while we're waiting, because it is almost, it's pretty low.
Yeah, he's on it.